What is up, guys? Silver Warrior here, and in this video I'd like to discuss something that I do believe I've talked about in the past. I remember specifically discussing a video titled something like Silver Investors Are Idiots or Silver Stackers Are Idiots, something to that effect, and I really didn't think I had to talk about it again because at the time I remember seeing the like to dislike ratio on that video saying it all. I mean, it essentially told me, yeah, people realize this guy is not understanding the true point of buying, especially generic bullion and just low-cost stuff in general. But, of course, recently, on my own channel, as well as really on a few other things, especially like on Instagram, just like messages and stuff, like in group chats, I've been seeing people kind of bringing up this old idea again, okay? And what they all say is that, oh, you'll never make any money from precious metals. They're never going anywhere. You're just going to always be able to break even. I mean, I don't even know where to start with this. Because if you're getting into generic bullion or low-cost constitutional, precious metals, expecting to make a huge profit, you are making a mistake. I mean, anybody who knows anything about these understands that that is not their function, but rather it is to hedge you against inflation. I mean, the simple fact is, yes, you're going to be able to make more money in stocks, but you can also lose more money in stocks than you can in precious metals. That is it. People turn to precious metals because of their stability, especially in times of economic instability. I mean, that is really the simple fact. There's not really too much more to say about it, but you're just missing the point. You know, these people, they expect silver and gold to just be some kind of quick, or get a quick rich scheme, rather, and that's not what it is at all. You know, I don't understand why you're going to spend a significant amount of money on something and not even know what it's for, and not even actually understand. You know, you might think, but you didn't do any research quite clear, because that's not what you're going to be getting out of silver and gold. And obviously there is money to be made on certain things, okay? Like, that's like not going to be low cost anymore. You're talking about stuff that's going to have crazy premiums when you buy it and might sell for an even crazier premium. That's not really, to me, the same idea. You know, you're not silver and gold stacking, investing, whatever, so much as collecting. You know, you're paying for the premium more than you're paying for the metal at that point. So, like, I feel like if you're paying like that much, what I'm trying to say basically is if you're paying that much of a premium on something, you're not really paying for the metals. You don't really care too much about the metals inside of it, but rather the rarity of it, the whatever there is to it. So at that point, it's a little bit of a different investment to me. And like I said, there is money to be made on those. I mean, you look at like some of those really rare, if you will, graded pieces of bullion. You know, those sell for insane amounts, especially when they explode, and sometimes they do. Okay, you're going to be able to make money there, but if you're going into the actual, you know, just as cheap as you can go precious metal market, you're probably not expecting it. You're probably just expecting that it will remain steady. You know, it might go up and down a little bit here and there, but it will always outperform the US dollar, and that is the point. And now with that being said, I do hope you enjoyed the video. Keep stacking. Peace.